Get ready to rethink your workout routine, because the Suunto Race 2 is here to shake things up, but at a price that might make you pause. This isn't your average sports watch. It's a premium powerhouse designed for serious athletes and tech enthusiasts alike. But here's where it gets controversial. With a price tag hovering around $500 USD, or roughly 1,000 New Zealand dollars, it's a luxury not everyone can justify. So is it worth the splurge? Let's dive in. Suunto, a Finnish powerhouse in the world of digital sports watches, is set to launch the Race 2 in September 2025. Future 5NZ got an exclusive sneak peek, and we're here to share our hands-on experience. Our review unit came in the vibrant coral orange color, and it's safe to say it left a lasting impression. First things first, the Suunto Race 2 is all about customization and comfort. The strap snaps onto the watch effortlessly, and its adjustable design ensures a snug fit for virtually any wrist size. But this is the part most people miss. The watch isn't just about looks. It's a dual-control marvel, offering both a 1.5-inch touchscreen and a side-mounted knob for navigation. While the touchscreen is sleek and responsive, with a crisp 466 by 466 pixel resolution, the knob provides a tactile alternative that some, like my brother, might find more intuitive. It's a small detail, but it speaks volumes about Suunto's attention to user preference. Customization doesn't stop there. You can swap watch faces via the settings or download new designs through the official Suunto app, available on both iOS and Android. And speaking of apps, this is where the Race 2 truly shines, or falls short, depending on your perspective. The watch comes packed with widgets for weather, exercise tracking, maps, and even a compass. You can set specific workout programs for running, cycling, swimming, and more, pairing seamlessly with the app to monitor metrics like distance, pace, and heart rate. However, here's the catch. You can only pin one widget per button, unlike competitors like Samsung, which allow multiple shortcuts. It's a minor gripe, but one that might irk power users. Battery life? Impressive. With up to 55 hours on a single charge, the Race 2 outlasts many of its rivals, including the Samsung watch I reviewed last year. And while email notifications might feel intrusive, I turned them off immediately. They could be a game changer for those who need constant connectivity. So, is the Suunto Race 2 worth the investment? It's a premium device that excels in functionality and durability, but its price point limits its appeal to those with deeper pockets. Here's the thought-provoking question. In a market flooded with affordable fitness trackers, does the Race 2 justify its premium status? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think it's a must-have, or just another overpriced gadget?